you come inside, that's for rape me.
I and I man have better taste than that. But come here for the bumper.
Oh, so you are the Bubba Dread. Wear this bumper for the white gal. Eh?
Blessed. Everything is everything, you know.
So how you get inside here?
The door was wide open, sister.
Well, close it on your way out now.
Yo. How you deal with Rasta, sir?
Are you over for deal with you? Poor Kita.
Pork. You mentioned that in front of the Ras. Rasta no deal with them things there.
Me see up on my friend video. I eat our pork. You can imagine when I send that the video to Jamaica. I see the Bubba Dread and yam pussy. You have to go trim.
Fireburn from Babylon. You was wicked for that Rasta. I did not eat that ranking meat. I was unconscious.
Unconscious? So how you know say it ranked?
Yeah.
Aye, tell me something. Why is it that Ross like you always affair with a white woman over a black woman? What them have?
Katrina.
What?
That's my wife's name, Katrina.
Whatever. You see me? Me a half Chinese. But me love my black man. Because all of them can walk this your body, yeah. So tell me, Bobo, why is it that a Ras like you always affair with a white woman over a black woman? Why?
It not have nothing to do with color. It have to do with spirituality. You see, white women just more revolve, more intelligent. I mean, you check the black woman passage through the history of time. Always planning the black man downfall with a constant bickering and a suffering and a greed. Them is like parasite.
You don't talk, batty boy. More evolved than who? Black woman is the mother of all creation. All life passed through her. So you must be just an empty-headed house nigger.
How are you do? Release Simon!
True black man, no disrespect them black woman, so. So you must be a ballad. I wanna be.
Please believe I'm a queen without a doubt, but I don't mean of New York or the South. See, my kingdom is bigger than any region, but some of you short-sighted can't see where I'm reaching. It was written in hieroglyphics, the prophecy that pronounces me.
For each stricken nation, and for the children dying by vaccination, for my people of the new and the ancient.
We do. They